This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to find your 5-star rated films on Letterboxd. So how do you find the films that you've rated 5 stars? I'm right here on the main Letterboxd page at letterboxd.com. First thing we're going to do is come over to the profile. So you highlight your image right here with your username. We're going to click on profile. So we're on the main profile page. You'll be on your profile right here. You come over to films on this little menu here. Now, this is all of the films that you've watched, essentially here. In my case, there's thousands upon thousands of films. What we will do now is we will go for rating, and we can highlight any kind of rating here. So we can click on the 1 star, obviously the 3 star, any of these, and all the half stars in between. But in this video, we're doing 5 stars. So we literally click on the 5th star here. It highlights them all. And just like that, you'll see all of your 5-star films. Shock horror, I've only actually rated 41 films 5 stars, which does kind of surprise me somewhat. But yeah, I don't rate films that low and I don't rate films that high. I'm kind of in between. I have like a kind of often I have like a 7, you know, like a 3.5 star rating. It's probably my average. But yeah, that's how you do it. You'll just highlight here. You can do any. You can look at your 4-star films. That was obviously 5 stars. You can look at your 4-star films right here. There's actually 1,288 in my case right here. So it's as easy as that. Just on the main films menu here, you can find out all of your 5-star films on Letterboxd. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.